and green on the other side. Don't live life on a fine line. Don't move right at the wrong times. Stay low key, don't mind mine. Right out to the north lights, just losing my sight. No evil, no good, no need at this time. Last got my action, last got my action. These niggas watching, can't get distracted. Never subtracting, I'm only adding. Straight to the top, never climb, never watch. I'm the wolf, I'm the cream of the crop. Bury me on top, all my niggas off. She said she want me, I wanted the moon. I wanted my stacks to the moon. I said, Lil' Shawty, you bad for the mood. You bad for the vibe, won't die for the dude. Kick out Lil' Shawty, she bad for the party. Might buy up the bar, if I get it, I got it. Purples and blue to the moon. Hold my way like only want my wish. No, they haven't settled what was on my list. Wasted, overthinking, didn't take a risk. Hating, baby, I don't wanna look at me. Grass ain't green on the other side. Don't live life on a fine line. Don't move right at the wrong times. Stay low key, don't mind mine. Right out to the north lights, just losing my sight. No evil, no good, no need at this time. They were tryna get it on the low low. I ain't got time, no. Going too fast, whoa. That's the class. Whoa. They were tryna get it on the low low. I ain't got time, no.
So as you can see, using a ruler and a marker does not work, so I'm just going to freehand the rest, and I'm using this colored pencil to neaten it up.
Don't live life on a fine line. Don't move right at the wrong times. Stay low key, don't mind mine. Right out to the north lights, just losing my sight. No evil, no good, no need at this time.
Ooh, baby, ooh, yeah.
Actually, before I start outlining, I'm gonna color it in using this like sand. It's called the Satin Pro Marker, and that's kind of just like the Dior color. Do you know the one they have like when they make their clothes and they put this pattern on there? It's a bit extra, I'm not gonna lie, but you know I'm a bit extra. So you ain't gotta do this part. You can leave the background white if you want.
Yeah, you say you got me. Ooh, yeah. You lie, you just spy, you say you got me. Ooh, yeah.
Lastly, just gonna fill everything in with this bold marker. That's about a rack for the video. That's a rack. I think I'm gonna do Sofago on the next video, so if you're a fan of those 4 styles, expect that video next. Bow.